Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to edit a post on Reddit. Let's start this video. So open Reddit application. So once you're on the home screen, click on your profile on the top right corner, then click on your profile. So over here, as you can see, I want to edit this post because by some mistake I have some spelling error, or I want to bold it and edit it completely. So what I will do is just click on this post again and it will open up like this. So click on these three dots in front of your profile picture and then click on edit option. Note that you can only edit the description but not the title. So you cannot edit the title, you can just simply edit this post. So I want to add this line. So from here you can also paste the link, and once you have edited the post or edit something that you have missed, click on save. And as you can see, my post is now updated. I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel.